Truth. All
Yeah.
right, hey Rocketeers, welcome to another live session with our amazing D partners. Today is nothing common. We have very, very special D partners. And every time I say this, it's like you folks say, oh, every time you say it's special, but this time it's extraordinary. We have one of the most unique software we have seen in this year called MySEOAuditor, and we have Karthik and Anand, who are the
Hi.
co-founders of the software. So welcome Karthik, welcome Anand. Thank you so much for taking out time from your late night where you were supposed to go to sleep, but you are here with the Rocketeers, showing them a good software we launched. So thank you so much and welcome to the stream.
Yeah, right. Okay, let me introduce myself. I'm Anand, co-founder of MySEO Auditor. Okay, so before we go into, let me give you a brief the journey how we came across. Okay, so initially we were doing SEO and digital marketing services for our local businesses. Then we have generated leads and we send them a free audit report with a free recommendation, whereby we have got a lot of cold leads. So when the prospect came back to us for more services in SEO, that's how our journey just started. Then we got back to us with more detail on SEO. Then we have provided great services. So during that time, we don't have any software on our own. Then we were using multiple other software that they audit their website and send them the audited report. Okay, where we have faced a lot of challenges that getting a report audited manually is a very tedious job. It's also a time consuming, and it has been quite challenging that we need to spend a lot of time on generating a report and send to them. It's been quite challenging. Then we came to know that we should have our own one, right? That's how my SEO auditor has born. Then we have also got feedback from our customer as well as our own team that we should develop our own one. Then with our experience, we have developed our my SEO auditor. And it will save you a lot of time. Okay, where once your customer came to your website and give their detail like any email address or website, our my SEO auditor will generate a report automatically and send to them under your brand name. That having my SEO for you all who are doing the agency business, it is a great thing that you should have it, because you can generate report automatically and send to them without any effort from your end. That's a great thing. Okay, so we have four major modules in our my SEO auditor. One is, as you know, leads. Okay, so generating leads for any business, it's key, right? So we have a leads model that you need to embed a simple code into your website, whereby a pop-up uh, uh, is embedded into your website, or you can make it as permanent, or you can make it that a pop-ups whereby you can capture leads and their website. Then the rest our my SEO auditor will do it, meaning that it can generate our SEO audit report automatically and send to them, whoever submitting the emails under your brand name. Okay. Then our audit report, we have a customization option. In other software, that customizing report is not possible, that every line item, every title, every color code you can change and you can put it into your system whenever the customer comes into your screen, meaning into your website, and our SEO, our my SEO auditor will generate a report and send to them automatically. And we do have a SEO checklist. So this checklist that you can tell your customer who are doing agencies or their own, they can check that what are the steps you should have done for your website or any business, so that your website can be ranked higher, so you will be ahead of others, right? And we also have business model, right, whereby you can scrap local business email and you can send them cold emails with their website free. You can audit their website and send them freely, so that they will get back to us that they need more services, whereby you can convert more cold leads into your own customer. Okay, so that's about a brief introduction about our journey and how my SEO has begun. Okay, maybe Karthik will join and dive into more detail into technical parts and how does it works, and also we'll explain all the other modules in detail. Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Anand. It was amazing. And of course, I asked this question to every DB partner as to how you got your name from for the product, but here it's very much obvious. So
Yeah.
you guys kind of made domain out of your, the product. So it's amazing. My SEO auditor, pretty clear what it does, and it also rhymes well. So that's amazing. So good job. Having that domain in your arsenal, that's a big win. Cool. So Karthik, stage is
Yeah.
yours. Let's
So
show the meat. Let's
yeah,
show
I
people
will.
what
Yeah,
it's made about.
sure. Actually, this is Karthik, one of the other co-founder of MySEO Auditor. Okay, let me share my screen. I don't want to talk too much. Just I will share my screen. Then I will show you how the software works. Everything I will show you now. Okay.
Yes, we can
So
see your screen.
okay. Okay, cool. So basically, so my SEO auditor. So once you log in, basically this is a dashboard. So everybody is seen. This is the new account. So we not yet started. So if let's say if you are a newly sign up, and once you log in with your credential, then this is the screen you can see. Okay, so this is basically a dashboard, the general overview of your whole account. Then so once you comes here, then as per Anand mentioned, we have 4 individual modules like lead generation, audit, checklist, business finder. These all are the 4 major modules. I will go and explain you one by one. So just once you go to the leads and go to the workspace, so this is where you can create your own workspace. So workspace is nothing but your own domain. Okay, let's say you can add your own domain, or let's say if you are running an agency, you can add your client's domain and you can manage their website for them. So I will show you how to add the workspace and how the things goes on. So just click create. Then here you can give just any name. So for us, we have one demo site. We just basically use for this purpose. So I will. So basically here the name part is nothing but just you can give your domain name. But here this is the main thing. You need to give your main domain name. Means whichever the pop-up you need to show, right? So you need to add that domain name here. Just click create. Okay, so the first step is we already created the workspace. So we need to copy this single line pixel code inside your website header. Okay, so we are using WordPress as content management system. Basically, this one will work on any platform. Like you can use ClickFunnels or any content management system. It's doesn't you can use it for any CMS, but only the thing is you need to add that code in the header section of your website. That's it. So there is a lot of for WordPress, right? So there is a lot of plugins, free plugins that are available to add a single line code in a header or footer. So just you can use any plugin. It's easily available. Okay, so just go to the header section of your website. So just add the snippet. Just now we copied from MySEO Auditor, right? Just copy this and paste it inside your head section of your website. So basically, this is the first step we need to do. Okay. So see here, so inside our workspace, now we successfully added our website here. Okay, so this we have the two things we need to do before we add our web pop-up. We need to do the two things. So one is the email settings. So once you click the email settings, here is where you need to add your own company email. Okay, so for example, here I will use my name. SMTP port. Okay. So basically, you can add your own email. Meaning, once if anyone submitted the form, right? So we need to set the email to that submitted person. So basically, your own company email, that email client, you need to add here. That's it. Just add your details here and click Save Settings. Okay, email address. Okay. Okay. So the first step is we need to add your email settings here. Then once you go to the report customization, so this is where the major things happen. Meaning in market, maybe some tool is available for automatic audit generation, but you cannot be able to do more customization on the report wise. But we have the separate like we have the report customization section. Inside this, you can able to change everything. Like you can change the background color, then you can able to show or hide your company logo. So all the customization you can done inside our report customization section. So all this report customization I will explain you briefly in the audit section, because both audit and the lead generation, this report customization is basically same. Okay, so basically here where you can change everything. Like once you go to the report description, this is the automatic generated one. Okay, so in the existing market you cannot change the description of the generated audit report, but we do have option to change this uh, report description. Let's say if they want to change anything, then they can able to change. Then let's say if some customer they don't want to show the Google preview in all the audit reports, then they can able to toggle on and off. So if let's say if I toggle off, then this section will switch off from the generated report. So likewise, you can able to do all the customization here. Then one more thing is we do have two types of report. So I will show you shortly what is the two different types. So one is a general report view, then another one is a presentation view. So the presentation view, all the edits can done through this presentation report section. So during the audit report section, I will change everything and I will show you in live, because this is the lead generation module. I cannot show you immediately. If I change something, you cannot see the changes. Okay, so basically this is the use of a report customization for the automatic generated report. Okay, so Karan, if you feel something, just interrupt me. I will tell you.
Yeah, of course. Yeah, makes sense. You're going very good. So yeah, let's do it.
Okay, so we just know we created the workspace, right? Okay, so one more thing I will tell you. So once you click this menu, we have some menus. So here there is option called scan pixel. Let's say just now I copied the code, right, and pasted in the header section. So whether I inserted correctly or not, I can check it from here. So once I see here, I
Yep, with SEO, you have to be very careful with HTTPS,
Yeah, no,
Otherwise,
the thing is just we need to
these things
refresh
in taken
our
as domain.
website.
Correct, correct. So anyone who's like kind of going
See,
ahead and
now,
doing this, so make sure you have the right URL and everything in place.
yeah, see now the pixel status is activated, meaning we installed our pixel correct properly. Okay, so let me go inside and I will show you the example. So once now the workspace is created, so inside the workspace we can create the unlimited number of widgets or pop-ups. Okay, there is no restriction inside creating the widget. Let's say for every page you can create every unique pop-ups to convert more leads. So I will show you now how it is. So just click create. So currently we do have three types of widgets, meaning the widget display. This is the basic widget, and we do have a slim widget, and we have a full screen takeover. So we do have three types for now. So we are developing some more different types in near future. Okay, so we give some name for your widget and click create widget. Okay, so now we successfully created one widget. So I will show you now. So once I refresh my site, see now inside my demo site, the widget is appear here. So basically, this is the simple thing. Just create a widget and save. Then we can see the widget here. So how to customize everything? So I will show you here. So inside the widget builder, so you can able to edit all the details here. Then just to say the widget design, right? This is the one we newly updated. Before that, we don't have this. Only the single page is available. Only I think few days before we added this new feature called Step Wizard. So what is Step Wizard and what is the single wizard? Single page. Single page means nothing but so all the details can show in the same pop-up itself. Let's say if this is the real use case, the embedded widget. So if let's say if someone submitted their website and click for check website audit, then the second page you ask for the name, email, and keyword. So basically, this is the step wizard. Okay, so the user can able to change whether they want to get the details from single page, because I hear from one of my customer, they say the step wizard with the step wizard they're getting the more conversion. So we can implement this. Then this is the title message. Okay, so let's say if you want to edit something, just if you edit here, you can add the new content here. It will appear here as a title message. Then description is basically nothing but this one. So let's say if you want to change anything, just change here. Free SEO audit try now, something like that. Whatever the changes you made here, just scroll down and you need to click the update button. This is very, very important. If you change something here, but if you forget to click update, then it will not reflect in the actual website. So whichever the changes you made here, you need to click update. Okay. Then here, see here we have four data columns. We can do it. So actually the name is optional. Let's say if you don't want the name field, then you can switch it off from your pop-up form. But the email, keyword, and the website URL is a mandatory one, so you cannot be able to switch off those details. Then once you scroll down here, there is an option called show agreement. So if some people need the GDPR complaint, right? So let's say if I click show agreement, then here you can give your own policy, the GDPR policy URL here, so that it will appear in the real pop-up also. So our website pop-up is complies with the GDPR one. Then this is the thank you message. Let's say if someone give their own detail like website, everything, and once they click the get my web audit button, immediately this display message will shown to the that prospects. Okay, so here the name and the email is a variable. So basically you can change any variable inside your display message just by clicking here. Just by clicking here, it will appear here. So basically this all are the variable. You can use it inside your that display message section. Then at the same time, if you want to redirect the user to any of your external URL, you can give the thank you page URL here. So basically this is the editing for the main pop-up. Okay, then once I come back to the trigger section, here's where let's say by default this pop-up will shows to all the pages of your website. Let's say I added the booksummary.me as my demo website, right? So if it is switched on, it will shows to all the pages like my booksummary.me/blog. So all the pages, this same widget will shown. Let's say I want to show only this widget in my home page. In my pricing page, I need to show different widget. In my blog page, I need to show different widgets. So how we can do? Just toggle off, and here there is a condition like exact match. Then here you can give the exact, let's say blog summary.me/blog. So you want to show this particular widget to that page, then you need to give here. So likewise, you can add more trigger. So if you add more URL, so only this two URL, this particular widget will shows on this two URL only. Okay, so that is a use of this. Then display trigger, basically by default it's delay by 2 seconds. Okay, so we do have other options like exit intent. Exit intent means if someone going to close your browser, then this pop-up will shows. Then the scroll percentage is nothing but in the web page, like if you put here 50%, then once some people scroll to 50%, after that our pop-up will display. So this is basically the display trigger. Then same like this is the mouse click and mouse hover. So mouse click is nothing but if you have any call to action button. So if someone click that button, then our pop-up will display. So basically there is a use of this. Then here and come back to the embed code. The embed code is nothing but you can able to embed the widget. Like see, this is the embed code. Okay. So once if someone come to the MySEO Auditor, this is our own widgets. That this is the own widget that we are created. So this is embedded inside the website itself. There is no pop-up, right? So that is a use of this embed code. Then we do have a display frequency, like how often you want to show, like all time or once per session or once per browser. So you can choose that details from here. Then by default, it will show in both device like mobile phone as well as desktop. Let's say if you don't want to show your pop-up in mobile phone, then you can just switch it off and click update. So once you update, now this widget is only shown to the desktop version users only, cannot be able to show on mobile phone. So you can toggle it on and off here.
That's good customization. Like,
yeah,
you know.
We do have a lot of customization. So
Yeah.
why I'm worried is due to the time concern, I want to go through very fast. We do have a detailed help center. So for everything, we have a video inside our help section. Okay, let me come back here. So here inside the display, you can able to choose at which direction. Let's say if you put the pop-up inside your website, it will come from left to right or right to left. So you can choose it here. Then the display position, right? So now it's showing at the center of the website. Let's say if you want to show bottom left, right? So just click bottom left and click update. So once you update here, just refresh. Wait, because the trigger section I will change to embed code. So basically it's in delay. Okay. 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 See here, now it shows on the left side of your website. Okay. So this kind of a display position, you can change it here. Wherever you want, you can choose it from here. Then basically, if it is 0 means the display means the pop-up will shows always. Okay, if you want to show only for few seconds, like 10 seconds, then you can change the display duration here. Then here there is an option called display close button, meaning this is the close button. Let's say if you don't want to show your user to close the pop-up, then you just need to switch off this. It's totally up to your own use case. Okay, so we do have that option to close, or like this is the one. Then this is the display branding. So many people asking, okay, right, how to change this by my SEO Auditor, right? This is the branding. So if let's say if you don't want to show this branding, just toggle it off, and once you give update, then this branding will gone from the pop-up. So see here, this branding will gone from the pop-up. Basically, through this design section, you can, the display section, you can toggle on off your branding section. Then if you want to change your own branding, let's say if you want to put Rocket Hub instead of MySEO Auditor, it is possible. I will show you shortly. Then once you come back to the design, then here you can change the color of your website. So everything you can change and customizable. So whatever the changes you did, just make sure you just click the update button here. I will show you shortly. So I will change the color, background color, text color. So everything you can able to change. So this is the, so here we have a clear description like close button background color. Okay, this is submit button text color. Just now I changed this. See the green color here. So everything, literally everything inside the pop-up is design wise. You can able to change everything here. Then the border radius, you want to straight here, it will make it straight. If you want rounded, you can make it rounded here. Then this is the animation. If you want to play, you can play it here. Then for the basically the font, right? The first one is inherit from website, meaning whichever the font that you are using in your website, it will automatically take that font and show it here. Let's say if you don't want, you want to change the different font from your website, you can change it from here. So whichever changes here, you just click update. Then once you come here and refresh, it will change here. Okay, so the changes is updated here.
Awesome.
Okay, so that's all about the design section. Then this is the main thing, like email content. Okay, so if let's say if someone submitted their details, right? So this is the automated email we are sending. So if you want to change your own content, let's say this is our content, like great news, your website audit. So this is the one. So if you want to change content, it's very easy. Just select all and delete, and you can able to change your own email content. Then, as I mentioned before, the above one all are the variables. Okay, so like hi name meaning what is the form name, right? They submitted, it will shows here. It is for more personalization. Okay, so instead of sending the generic email, we need to send the personalized email is better, right? So the top one all are the variables. So whichever you want to add the variable, just go there and click the variable here. It will appears inside this email body section. So this is the subject line. Then this is the body of your email. You can totally change anything. Then once you come back to the notification here, if someone submitted the audit report, then that report means that once anyone submitted, then as you are the admin, you will receive the email like someone is submitted, as well as we do have a webhook. So with the help of webhook, we can transfer the data from MySEO Auditor to other apps. Like if you want to transfer the data to any of your other CRM, then you can use the help of webhook to transfer the data. So basically that's all about the customization of the widgets inside the MySEO Auditor. Then we do have other two options called, one is the widget statistics and widgets data. Okay, I will show you in my live account. Okay, so basically this is the live account. Okay. Okay, so once you click the widget statistics, then you can able to see all the useful statistics, like how many views this particular widgets and how many clicks, then click to rates. So here we will show in the graphical representation. Then once you come down, then you can able to see what are the most engaged pages. Let's say if you are using multiple widgets on multiple pages, then you can able to see all the statistics inside this widget statistics section. Okay, so inside this you can able to see all the statistics here. Then once you go to the widget data, so this is the section you can able to see all your collected data. So this is my live account. Because the demo account you cannot be able to see the details, so this is the live account, so you can be able to see all the details here. You can able to view data and export data. Then if you don't want, you can delete, as well as you can able to check the a report. Let's say if you click this report, then you can able to see what is the automatic let's say because once the lead submitted, you don't know what is the audit report, only the email is sent to that submitted prospect. So if you want to check what is a website audit for that report, then you can able to click this, and you can able to download, as well as you can view the report here. Okay, so that is a use of the widget statistics and widget data. Okay, okay, so I will show you the live demo here. Okay, so I will enter. So I will enter okay. So I will show you the live demo here. So if someone submitted their detail, then once they click get my web audit, so see, this is the display message. Just now I show you, right? So this is the display message. So once you come back here, then once you click the widget data, then see here. So Mike, that email, this is the one just now I submitted. So here you can able to see the status. It will take around maybe 2 or 3 minutes to complete the whole website audit. So you can see the status here. Okay, so basically that's all about the lead generation workspace. Then one more thing. So once you go inside the workspace, we do have two things. So one is the separate, basically this is the widget we created, right? So this is the statistics for this particular widget, and this is the widget data for this particular widget. Let's say if you created the multiple pop-ups, like 5 or 10 pop-ups, then you want to see the collective statistics, then you can have option to view the whole workspace statistics here. Okay, so
Awesome.
this is the demo account, so we don't have much data here. So I will show you here.
Before we move forward, Karthik, would you mind answering 2-3 questions?
Sure.
Yeah. Brennan asked a question about on the widget, right? So is it should visitor enter HTTP or HTTPS? And if the URL submitted is just, let's say, domain.com or avg.com, will the widget process the audit or not?
Okay, so if let's say if they are wrongly entered, then our widget will show the error message. Okay, I will show you here. Okay, because just now I submitted, so I need to clear cache. See here, you can see the pop-up. Booksummary.me says, please enter the valid URL. So if someone wrongly entered the URL, our pop-up will shows the error message.
Makes sense. So which means that they won't be able to move forward with the audit unless they have the right URL in place. So that's a good thing.
Exactly.
Then one more question was about can we set a delay of the audit of a couple of days to make it seem like someone has actually manually worked on the report?
We do have a separate section called advanced audit section. Let's say if you want to add it manually and send to them, depends on your timing, then you need to choose this audit section. I will explain you that shortly. Basically, this is the one we need to automate. The main function is once someone submitted, immediately within a few minutes, we audited the report and sent to them. That is the main purpose of this lead generation module. If you want to do the audit manually, then we do have a separate section called audit section. So from that, you can do your own audit separately.
Makes sense. All right.
Okay.
Yeah,
so,
we come to the other questions later. Yeah,
okay.
Sure.
So shall I continue?
Yes.
Okay. So see, this is the one just now we submitted on our live website, right? So if you can see the status here, see the mail status is sent. So once I open, I am success. Where is that? Okay, it's here. See here, you can see the email, right? So support@myseoauditor.com, and this is the time. So my time is 10:37. So just now I received the email. So this is the email that their customer or their prospect received. Okay. So once they come here and once they click the website audit, then they can able to see their own branding, because the customization, they can able to change all the colors, content, text, everything. They can change it from the report customization view. So basically, this is the email that prospect is received. Okay.
All right.
So if you want to, so Karan, shall I continue?
Yes.
Okay. So you understand, right? So the mail sent means this is the email that submitted person will receive. So this is the mail. Okay.
Got it. Yeah. Awesome. And this mail can be kind of customized, right? When it's
you can just now I show you, right, inside that email content section, you can change whatever you want. Makes sense. If you want to see your own, because you don't know what is the audit report sent to the customer, right? If you want to see, then you just click this this menu, and here you can able to check the audit report yourself. Then you can able to check the statistics, everything. Okay. Then one more thing, the final thing is, okay, so under this report customization section, we have an option called retargeting pixel. So basically, during our personal experiences, we have run the Facebook ads, right? So we are sending so many we are auditing the local businesses. Then here we can put our Facebook pixel. If someone click the report from your email, then those clicked prospect is added inside your Facebook pixel, meaning with Facebook ads, you can able to retarget the user. Okay, so we do have that option called retargeting pixel. So you can use your own Facebook pixel or Google pixel or whichever the ads platform you're using, you can use their pixel here. And once you click save audit setting, then if someone click this URL, then that user will add it inside your like Facebook retargeting, you can able to target them. So that is the main use of this retargeting pixel one. Okay, Karan. So basically, that's all about the leads workspace. So we have the next module called audit module. We have a lot of different types of audit modules. So if I show you one, then the remaining is similar, only the content and the other things is totally different. So let's say if you go to the website audit, right? So for the first time, it will be look like this. Okay, so you want me to ask any questions in leads module, or I'll continue with audit module.
If we have one question,
Yeah.
that's about, of course, that's about the translation, right, into multiple reports, multiple
Sorry?
languages.
Okay.
Translation into multiple languages. So there's a question from Jens. He's asking, are the reports completely translatable? I would need those in German.
Currently, we don't have the translation feature. So only we have the English. So only the English is the language you can able to audit. There is no other language for right now.
Okay. Are you planning to build one in the future?
So okay, actually, I just want to discuss with my technical team because I am not a developer, so I don't know how complex or how easy or how fast I can able to do the thing. So first, I need to discuss with my team. Then one more thing is we cannot be able to do this for only few users. Like if let's say if many user can ask the same feature, then we can work on it. So that is a
Correct.
plan.
Yep. Correct. So many have asked already. So we of course we can like discuss and we can have a separate thread about it. But this was a question just coming again and again, so thought we should have it clarified.
Sure.
One more question was about so James asked a question, why are the auto website audits per month are unlimited, but the manual audit are limited to 200 on the highest tier?
Yeah, it's totally.
Isn't it the same audit technically and just the way to do it different?
Sorry. Can you come again? You want to know the limitation or?
He wants to know that why are auto website audits per month limited, unlimited, but the manual audit limits are limited to 200.
Yes. Actually, yeah, for the different tires, let's say if you buy the tire one, right? So even the automatic audit also not unlimited. It's 2,500 audit for the tire one and 5,000 for the tire two. So only for the tire 3 and tire 4, the automatic lead generation is unlimited. Yeah, that's it.
Okay, but the question was like why have they limited, let's say 200? So is it takes more effort on the server side to do manual audits?
Yes.
Got
it's
it. It's a cost. Got it.
Yes.
Okay.
So we don't want to make it unlimited, and we need to be long run, right? So we need to plan for the correct resources, so everything. So that we can do for the long run. So now I can make it unlimited, and in future, if I cannot able to manage, then it is a big problem for us, for them also. So that's why we just limited with some restrictions. Yeah.
Got it. Okay.
So let me continue.
Yes, let's do it.
Okay, Karan. So basically, this is the advanced audit module. So once you come inside that advanced module, there is a few other different types. So everything literally same. Only the custom audit is a little bit different. I will show you shortly. So once you click inside the website audit, so here is a generate button. So once you click generate, then here you need to submit the company name. So I am going to audit for my demo website. Okay. So I will use the URL. Then this is the generated file. Here, my email address. So supported. Then here phone number is optional. Then just you click the basic, means just you fill up the basic details of your client website. Then just click analyze website. It will take around 2 to 3 minutes. So depend on the website size, it will take a little more time. So once you submitted everything, then once you click analyze website, then here you can see the progress. So how much the website audit is completed. Okay. 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 So now the report has been generated successfully. So once you click inside, then this is the report customization section. I will show you one by one. So once you come inside this, okay, so I will click the preview report and show you the generated report. So I will click the report. Okay, so now this is the generated report, Karan. Just now I submitted the thing, right? So this is the generated report for the submitted URL. So this is the automatically generated report. Okay. So I will show you one by one. Let's say this is the report, right? So once the report generated, the menu is now collapsed, meaning it will not open, right? So if you need to click to open, let's say if you want to be open always, then just inside the audit report, just scroll down, then here the option called collapse and show. Just click show. So whichever the changes we did here, then you need to click the save audit settings. Okay. So what is a good thing is basically you generated the audit report and you will send this link to your customer, meaning to your prospect, right? So whatever the changes you did here and save settings, then the next time the your prospect open, then they will see the changes. See now after refresh, this menu always shown here. So I just like to change the color. Okay. So the front part is, this is the cover page, right? The cover page is the background URL. Currently, I'm using this background URL. So let's say I want to use the solid color. So how to do this? Just delete the background page color. Then here we do have some option called single color or double color gradient. So you can choose it here. Okay. So for single color, this is the one I will just change to like, okay, red color. So click save audit setting. So whichever changes we need, just save. So now once you refresh, see the background color is totally changed here. So likewise, depends on your branding, you can able to change everything, the color, like logo. If you want to hide, you can hide the logo. Let's say if you want to use your own company logo, right? Just give your logo URL here. Then it will updated in this audit report. Then this is the page title. Welcome to booksummary.me is nothing but this is the title here. Then this is the description. Okay, let's say if I delete this. So if you need to add something, you can add it here. Then click save. Then once you come and refresh, then it will change here. So whatever the changes we did inside here, it will change us immediately in the actual audit report. Okay.
Correct.
Okay, not here. So let's say if you want a double gradient, horizontal, vertical, you can change it here, like okay. So see here.
Good. Everything's real time. So that's
Yes,
good. Just
everything
refresh
is
and
real
it
time.
changes.
Yes. Okay. So one more thing I will show you. So basically this is the report view. Then we do have, I will told you before, right? I will do have another view called presentation report. So see here, once I click the presentation report, then the same report will display you in the different view, like presentation, like PowerPoint presentation. So you can the report like this. So once you click, and if they want to navigate, you can navigate here. So like this is the another report view. We work for the same audit. You can view it in the different view also.
Makes sense.
Okay. Then, as I mentioned, this is the page header color, page footer color. So everything is customizable. You can change everything here. Then the paragraph text color, header text color, all the colors. If you want to change, you can change it here. Then, and like if you don't want to show the presentation view in the main report, just here there is option to hide or show. So if you click hide and save audit settings, then if you come to the main report, then see here now the presentation that section is hidden from this main report. Okay. So once I come back to the presentation report section, then here where all the customization you can do for this presentation report. Okay, so I will show you. So like if you need to give the different background color, just you give that your image URL here to load that image in the book, the front cover. Let's say if you want to change color, then as I mentioned before, just you can change it here. Okay, so that's it. It will immediately reflect here. Okay, then, okay, one more thing. So once I come down, this is the header and footer. Okay, so if you want to change that header and footer, so here there is a few designs, like we have a triangle and rectangle. So basically now it's a rectangle. So if you want to change the footer to a rectangle, sorry, triangle, you can make that. Then you can change that footer color also. So footer color to red color. So save audit. So once you come and refresh, see the footer is changed to the different shape as well as color. So if you don't want to show any like header or footer, just you can make it like hide. So header I don't want to show, only I want to show the footer. So each and everything of the report is customizable. Okay. So once you refresh, see now there is no header. There is no header. Okay. So each and everything is customizable. Then once you come back to the presentation view, like as I mentioned, like this is the on-page cover image URL, right? So once you go to the on-page SEO, so basically the left side you can see this is the image. So if you want to change this image, you need to give your own image URL. Okay, so if you don't want anything, just you delete it and save audit report. Then once you refresh, see now there is no image. Okay, so how to change this all the description, everything inside?
And you can add any of your own image, like just add the URL and it will just appear over there.
Yes. Then once I come back, this is the generated for, meaning this is the client detail you are generating for to who you can give the detail here. Then the generated by is your own company detail. Okay, so you can give the own company detail here. So if you want to show hide the particular means the whole generated part, you can make it here. Okay. Then once you come back to the report customization, then this is the main part. You can able to change everything. I will show you here. Okay. So basically, okay. So see here, there is a sum of the section we have a learn more and some of this section have the recommendation and learn more, right? So if you want to change the text recommendation to any of your text, like what you can say, like recommendation, recommend points, something like that, you can able to change the things here. Then the background color you can able to change here. Okay, then this is same thing for the learn more text as well as background color. So once you save, once you refresh, see here the learn more color, background color is changed. Then here the recommended to recommended point. So you can change the details here. Then what about the good, fair, poor text? Okay, so once you come to the report overview, we have the optimized, average, weak, right? So basically this is the one. So under the good text is optimized, fair is average, then poor is weak. So this is the thing, you can change it from here. So I will change like good, fair, poor. Then I can change the color. So now we are using the green, orange and red, right? So I will change to maybe purple. Okay, then poor to yellow. Okay, so you can change the color, everything. Once you save, so see here, good, fair, poor, as well as all the color. Just now we change all the things reflected here. Then here is a pass and fail color, then pass and fail text. What is pass and fail? So basically here, see the Google preview is failed. Okay, so we have this fail, and this is the effect, how affect this particular category is medium effect, or so whatever the things. If you want to change any other things, you can change it here, like high, medium, low. So this is the one, and this is the color. Like for the pass, I will change to then fail, I will change to blue. Okay. Then one more thing I will show you. Then this is the effect icon. Okay, so basically this is the effect icon. If you want to, we have a few icons. Like if you want to change, so you can just go through and change the icons. Once you save, then it will reflect here. Okay, see here, now the fail color is totally changed and the medium impact icon is changed. So likewise, if I go one by one, there is a lot of customization you can able to do. Let me move on to the another section called report description. Okay, so this is the report description. Like this is the on-page SEO text, right? Okay, so if I want to change anything, just change and add whatever the text you want. Then the Google preview I don't want to show, so I will switch off this Google preview. Okay, the Google preview I will switch off this. So see all the section, the description you can edit here. So if you don't want to show, you can switch it off. Okay, so all the details you can do under the report description. So once you save, just now we change this audit and we hide the Google preview. So once I refresh, see here the Google preview is gone from our website audit.
Makes sense.
Okay, then this is the
and even I think the solution where people want to translate, they can just add their own translated text.
Yes, exactly. If you want to change your text, you can able to change the text here. Like you can able to translate in Google, then you can paste it here, then you can able to change all the text here.
So this customization is for all the reports, right? For example, landing page report, e-com audit report.
Yes, everything.
Custom audit report. So
I will show you the custom audit, because same the website audit, e-com and landing page are more or less similar. Only the few things is different. I will show you. So this is the audit intro. Audit intro is nothing but this is your intro section of your own campaign introduction. So if you want to change, you can change it here. Okay, if you want to hide that intro, you can hide it from here. Then this is the recommendation section, the description and the title you can able to change. Then this is the audit closure. Okay, so for this is the audit. Once you go to the closure, right? So this is the closure. So you can change the things here through this audit closure section. Then the main thing is book appointment section. So once you come here, there is an option called book appointment section. So this is the page. You can able to give your own URL. If someone click the book appointment, okay, so see here, this is the button color. You can able to change any color. Then the background color you can able to change. So depends on your own branding. You can able to change. Okay, so once I refresh it.
So you can add your own link to the calendar, or so that they can book a call with you. That's perfect.
Yes, exactly. So see, the book appointment page is totally changed. You can give your own image here. Then here also the option called retargeting pixel. Let's say if you want to retarget that user with Facebook ads or Google ads, then you can able to add the Facebook pixel and Google pixel here. Then if someone click that, because all is the web URL, right? So if someone click the URL, then that user is tagged with your Facebook pixel. Okay, so that you can able to retarget them. Okay, so basically this is the main section for the audit report. Okay, the one more main part I will forget to tell you. So that is called a manual assessment. Okay, Karan. So let me go to this audit intro section. Sorry, that report overview. Okay, so basically here these are the automatically generated one, right? Let's say if you want to add one extra module like conversion rate optimization, you want to add the CRO module inside this audit. So that one also possible with the manual audit function. So once you click the manual assessment, so with this manual assessment, you can able to add your new module. Okay, so you
good.
understand, right? So like if you want to check yourself manually, like conversion rate optimization, once I toggle on, then here we do have a checklist. Let's say if you want to change anything, just click edit here. Then here you can able to change your own wordings. Okay. Then this is the title, description, learn more. Okay, learn more and recommendation. Then this is the effect. It is high impact, high effect, or low effect. Okay, so this is the one we can choose it here. Then here there is option to pass or fail. Let's say if you manually check whether the clear and compelling title is clear and compelling. Let's say the title is clear, just you click toggle on, meaning it is passed. Okay, so I will show you here. So just now I switch on this conversion rate optimization. So before that, there is no CRO in this audit report. Okay, so I manually added here, then click save manual assessment. Okay, so now I refresh this audit. You come back to the overview. Now see here the new section called conversion rate optimization. So once you click here, see here clear and compelling. The status is passed, high effect. So likewise, you can able to add your own anything. Depends on your things you can able to add with the help of this manual assessment. Okay, see here the conversion rate optimization, right? So like the social proof is available in the website or that you can manually add it. So I will make it fail. It's not available. Then the customer feedback is passed. Then limited distraction, whether the site is. So likewise, we do have a pre-default CRO checklist. Let's say if you don't want the limited distraction, instead of that, you want to add your own wording, it is possible. Just click edit, then here just take out, and you can use FOMO pop-up available or not, something like that. Okay, then this FOMO pop-up is we can make it pass or so, whichever the details we can change, just click save assessment. Then once you come back,
So
and
this is, let's say, if you are, let's say, doing an audit for a very, very big client, and you want to
yes,
be,
exactly,
let's
exactly.
customize, you want to be very precise and comprehensive. So you would
Yes.
use manual assessment, which
Okay.
sends them a very detailed report, correct?
Yes, exactly. So what we are doing is we scrap the local business client from the Google, then their website. So we send a basic audit to them with the recommendation. So some of the client go through and they can ask for the more in-depth audit. So that audit you can able to do here, and you can charge this audit for some pricing depend on your agency. Okay, so
That's a
you
good
can
idea.
not only the normal, not only the automatic one, but manually it is possible to add anything inside the audit report. So basically that's all about the advanced audit report. Then the final thing is okay, so this is the slug URL. Okay, so basically this is not nice, right? So I want to change the slug URL to my branding or the customer branding. It is possible. Just click this three report and you can change the slug. So basically this is the auto generated slug. I will change to book summary. Okay, because this is the I audited for the book summary. That is a client. So I will change the slug. So
and you can
once
have your own
come,
custom domain as well, right?
yeah. So now see here the report not found under this URL. So now you need to click this.
And now it will
Now
be
the slug
generated.
is come up with book summary with nice slug. Okay. Then what else here? Okay. Then you can able to download the report. Then this is the report setting. Just now I show you all the details. Then this is the copy report link and presentation link. Then if you want to embed any audit in your website, that is possible with the embed code. So if you want to delete, that's it. So that's all about the website audit. Basically, the e-com landing page are more or less similar to the website audit. Then I will show you the custom audit. Okay, so custom audit is everything they need to create from scratch. So this is for the advanced user. Let's say if you want to generate the report for affiliate marketing, you want to generate any report. Okay, so in the industry, they don't have any standard report to generate audit. So we do have that option called custom website audit. So once you click inside that, same thing, you need to give the company name, then the website URL, then generated for who, then the email address. So phone number is optional. Just click analyze website and wait for a few minutes. Why we need this is the front page cover. We have the two image, right? The mobile responsive, right? So now we are extracting that image for your cover picture.
Got it.
Okay. Okay. So now the custom audit report is generated. So once inside from this, you can, okay, I will close this. Okay, so once I click the preview report, just now I created the audit report. So preview report. So inside this, nothing, only the template is inside here, the welcome page, audit intro, closure. So there is no category or no section here. So you can able to add everything here. Okay.
Got it.
So, okay, I'll just go back. So basically the report customization, everything is same current. So once you here, there is option called manual assessment, right? So just click manual assessment. So under this manual assessment, you need to create all the category. Okay, category name. Okay, tell me anything. Okay,
Affiliate marketing. Let's go.
affiliate marketing. In description, then cover page URL, it is optional. Just click save. So now I successfully created one main category for that report. Okay. So inside this category, you can able to create a subtask. Like on page SEO, we have a Google preview, then H1 section, everything, right? So the affiliate marketing is a main category. So under this category, you can create a task. You can choose this title, same CRO. So here they can able to use their own language. Like if here there is no language restriction, so they can able to use their own language.
Got it.
So just click save, and I will show you. I don't want to take time more here, so I will show you, and I will go to the next module, because if I go and explain,
correct. That's what I'm saying.
yeah,
it's a very, the customization. It's huge.
Literally, yeah, we cannot complete within a few hours. Okay, so once I click here, see here, affiliate marketing. So the section now is created, right? Just now we created affiliate marketing CRO,
correct.
right?
So it's a category and a subtask.
Yeah. So likewise, you can able to create multiple category. So that is a use of custom website audit. Okay.
Makes sense.
Okay, Karan. So that's all about the audit module. So with this audit module, you can able to create automatic audit report. With that automatic audit report, if you want to add anything manually, like conversion rate optimization or any other things you need to add manually, yes, you can able to add with this advanced module section. Okay, then we do have a few different types of templates here, and we do have a custom audit. With the custom audit, you can able to create a report from scratch. Then this is the Google business audit, same customization, same thing. Okay, so I don't want to go inside and explain everything. So basically, this is the one. If you want to check the report preview, then just go to the MySEOAuditor. Here, all the report preview is available here, as well as if you go to the Rocket Hub, Karan already added all the previews
and we have,
here.
So there we have, you can see the previews on that page. But I think what differentiates Google Business Audit is, I think it has the elements of the local business, stuff. Right.
Okay. Yeah. If you want to show, I will show you the one preview report for the local audit business. You want to show, or we can move on to the another module?
We can move and then we can have it in last. Yeah.
Okay, sure. So that's all about the audit module. Then the third module is a checklist module. So once you click a checklist, we do have two templates, like one is SEO and one is for content management. Then we do have a custom option. Custom option is everything you can create it from the scratch. So I will just show you one audit report very fast. Project name, book summary, contact name, my email address, phone number. Okay, just click save project. Okay, so basically for the checklist, this is the checklist. We for the SEO, we have a lot of 100+ checklist point. You can able to refer inside the checklist module here with all the section. Let's say if you want to edit this, just click this and edit task. So here, okay, so what is the priority of this task? Okay, this priority of Google Search Console is high. Then the status is completed or in progress. Let's say in progress. Then what is the start date? What is the end date? Then in progress. So likewise, you can able to edit all the checklist, priority, status, everything. Then
Makes sense.
okay, wait, what is this? Okay, then once you click the audit report, the checklist also you can able to generate the report and do the customization and share the link to your clients. That's it. So see here. So whatever the update you did in the checklist here, it will reflected in the actual checklist section here. So basically, it's a different view of report for your own use. So here you can able to create your own custom report also. Okay.
Got
So
it.
same thing for editing. So once you go inside, you can able to do all the status change here. Then here there is option called report settings. So once you click here, then here you can the same thing. What are the things you seen in the audit module? The same thing we are using here. Okay, so once you are learn one of the module, then whole software you can able to access and do all the customization. Then
Makes sense.
okay, for all the reports we do have the statistics because it's on it's a link, right? So someone click, see here you can check the who click and what is the click report, who is where is the IP address. So all the report, if someone click the report, we can capture that and we can show you that report statistics here. Okay, so that's all about the checklist module. Then the final module is business finder. So business finder is nothing but you can able to get leads directly from the Google. So main thing, in order to start this business finder and Google My Business Audit, you need to add your API key here. Okay, so your own API key, it's free to add. So we have a video how to add that API. So you need to add the API key section. Then you come to the business finder. Once you click the Google search, so this is the one. Okay, Karan, I will search for maybe hotels.
Yep, let's go for hotels.
Basically, this is our own business model. So what daily, meaning for the past few years, what we are doing, this is the one. We come here and search for hotel, and I am in Singapore, so I will choose Singapore, then click search now. So it will take maybe 1 or 2 minutes to extract the data because we are extracting the data directly from the Google. So background, it's running and extracting all the details. Okay.
Got it.
So in the meantime,
And just to be clear, you have to have your own API key. So
yes,
that tutorial is already given in the help center of MySEOAuditor. Just go ahead and
yes,
see the whole tutorial and have your own API key to search, and then you can even send leads and your reports to these leads, and even convert them into your clients.
yes. So okay. So now the lead search is completed. Okay. So from here, you can able to see all the details. Okay. So the first thing here, there is a filter. This is the filter. Let's say you want to show only the leads only with email, you can make like this. So I just select all the leads here. Then I just click add to campaign. I will choose the new campaign like hotels in Singapore, add campaign. Okay, then click add. Okay, so just now I search the leads, right? So I will add it inside the campaign. So if you want to view the leads, just click view leads. So it's all here. Okay. So from here, it's like mini CRM. Like here, you can directly able to audit the local audit business. Let's say just click this. Okay. Then here generated for which company? Notel Singapore. Then here we can not this one. Okay, so this is the email. Okay. So here you can add the email and phone number. Just click analyze GBP. That's it. So once you click view report, then this is the local lead generation report. So within a matter of few minutes, you can generate the report for this client. So from here, okay, so we have option called here the email settings. So inside the email settings, you can add your own domain name that you want to send the email. Just you go here and we have a template. Okay, so here we don't have templates. But if you want, you can add your own template here, like hi, something like that. You can do your cold email subject and paste it with this generated report. Okay, paste it with generated report, and once you click send, then this audit will send to this particular user. So from there, you can able to convert this particular prospect to your customer.
Makes sense. This is very comprehensive.
Yeah. So basically, we have an option to send SMS, but this SMS and call, you need to add your own PO API key. Yeah, yes, exactly. Then here you can able to check the Google My Business status. So once you click here, by right, actually this guy is claimed already. If the business is not claimed, here there is option to check the status. It's not claimed. Let's say if this business, let's say example, this business is not claimed, then you can contact them. Hey, your business is not claimed in the Google. So we have a service to claim the business for you in the Google. So likewise, you can able to do the things here.
Got it.
Okay, so basically, this is the email template. So once, okay, if you want to add your own template, just click here, add. Then here there is like, okay. So see here, we do have a template, but if you want to add your own template, own email template, then you just click scratch and you add your own template. Okay, so I will add template here. Okay, so now the template is added. So if I go to the campaign, then if I go to the message, okay, here the option to choose the template here. Okay, so you can send email directly. Then this is the variables you can add inside your email for more customization. Okay, so that's all about the business finder. Then final feature called manage team. Let's say if you are running a big agency, if you want to give access to any one of your team members, then you can able to add your team member detail here. Then that team member can able to maintain the business for you. So there is a use of manage team function. Okay, Kiran, I think I almost explained everything.
Yep. So I still say that we are 50% through the software because it's too big. But due to the time constraints, people can go and look at it. Of course, we'll give a shout out to
okay. Sorry, Karan. So
there's more. I know.
Once you, so I cannot be able to complete, but just I will tell you shortly. Okay, so once you click the profile icon, there is a lot of things inside. So inside this, there is option called company settings. Basically, this is the company settings for, the global settings. So if let's say if you forget to add your company detail in the separate audit, then this, if you add the details here, then this detail will go to your audit. Then this is the custom domain. Let's say if you want to change your own domain, right, just go to the custom domain section and just add our, just follow the steps so that all the audit report is, now all the audit report is under myseoauditor.com. Let's say if you want to change to Rocket Hub, right, Then just go inside this and follow the step. Then you can able to all the reported with audithub.com/ the slug one. Then this is the activity log. Okay, so what is the use of activity log? So whichever the things we did, whatever the deleted or created, so everything is captured inside this activity log. So why we use this? Because we have a team member option. Let's say one of the team member is deleted something. Okay, so you don't know who deleted. We have 5 team members, so you don't know who deleted. So once you come inside the activity log, you can delete. You can check all the status here. Like see here, because I don't created the team member, right? So I created it all by you. So all the status you can check inside the activity log. Then one more thing is usage log. So once you come to the usage log, this is where you can check all your package name. So I am under the Rocket Hub agency plus plan. So under this, what are the access here? So everything you can do here. So under this account settings, you can change the 2-factor authentication and changing password. Then this time zone is very important. Why? Because with this time zone only, all the like once you go to the workspace and once you go to the widget data, here the time all captured with that your given time zone. So okay, Karan, thank you. That's all about our main features.
Amazing. Okay, that's very comprehensive. So, folks, if you enjoyed what like Karthik went through for the past 1.5 hours, just type amazing in the chat box. I would like you folks to kind of give give a round of applause. It's very tough to kind of go through all of the big software in such a short time frame. So thank you so much, Karthik. Let's go through some questions.
Sure.
And then we can wrap up the session, right? Okay. Okay, we had some questions from we first talk about the comparison, right? For example, can we have the reports on our own variable domain? Okay, that's done. So you can have
already
the
told
custom
you.
domain. Correct. So I think some of them we already answered. So I'm just going through. Okay. So Jens had a big question. It's kind of a little bit big, and it's regarding the GDPR, right, and the data laws in the European Union. So Jens asking for GDPR for us agencies and companies in the European Union, we also need a DPA, right, data processing agreement, with your company signed. Before that, we're not able to load the pixel, implement the lead form, or transfer the personal data of the lead to your tool. So it's not only necessary to have a checkbox to be compliant, sadly, just a checkbox won't comply.
Okay.
So does a MySEOAuditor offer a DPA?
Okay, actually, I just discussed with my team and I will answer you. Yes. Yeah.
Okay. Perfect.
Okay. For the security wise, we do have a proper security. Like we have a scanning software to scan all the server totally every day. Then about TPA, I will clarify you shortly, maybe in the later session or.
Sure, perfect. So we can have this as a thread on our Rocket Hub. So James, you can ask the same question on the Rocket Hub thread, and later when Karthik has the answer, he will respond to you there.
Yeah, sure.
Where's the company located? Company is in Singapore?
No, basically from India.
Okay, so company is in India. And where the servers located?
Server located at USA.
Okay, so we have a US server base. Okay. The fourth question from Jens is, will there also be the possibility of an API? With that, we could handle all the user data leads, capturing process completely by our own website, but send an API call webhook to MySEOAuditor with the domain.
No, I don't get it. Can you repeat again?
Sure. So Jen's asking, will there be a possibility of an API connection?
So for what?
With that,
for what purpose?
So for the purpose of completely capturing the process in their own website.
Now they are capturing in the own website, right? We have a pop-up. They can embed in the own website. They can able to collect the data. Then with the help of webhook, Yeah, with the help of Ekhook, you can transfer the data to the other application. We do have a detailed tutorial in our help section. We already updated. Just go and check that detail.
All right. So I think, yeah, if you want, I can just copy this question.
Yeah. Yes. If you want anything in particular, just let me know in particular so that we can move on from that.
Cool. So I've copied this question and I think I'll send it to you separately so we can answer this as well.
Sure.
Perfect. And when we kind of added that URL, right? When we were adding URLs, so for the main domain, so does it only capture the audit for the main domain or does it do it for the whole website?
Only for the main domain, not for the, because our auditing, our structure is different, not crawling all the links inside the website and do the audit report. No, we have only generated the, whichever the URL you are given, right? That URL, we are generating the audit report.
Makes sense. Okay, let's see. So we asked a few questions. Just 1 second. Okay. Yep, I think we have done. So I have some questions for you, Karthik. What's next for MySEOAuditor? What are you working on next? What can people see as progress in the next, let's say, 3 to 6 months? If you can showcase, your roadmap or kind of summarize your roadmap in, let's say, 5 minutes.
Okay. Actually, now every day we are updating, meaning fixing the so many bugs. Then we are updating the small updates inside the, like, let's say I will tell you, right? We have only the single pop-up, but now we added the step wizard. Like that, we are adding every day the new feature inside our MySEOAuditor. Then currently we plan to work on more widget types. So that's what we get the feedback from the customer. So in the future, how we plan to move on is we just plan to open one group for MySEOAuditor. So from that, we just ask and open to the customer, let them decide what we need to work. So if we have more future request from the translate, just now you asked me, right, the translation. So many people ask for the translation future. So then we can work on that. Okay, so because we are working the same feature for the past 2 years, we do have our own beta user. So with that input, we are working and updating the software every day. So in the future, like now the Rocket Hub user also coming in. So they have the different perspective. So if you want, let's say if they want some future, then we just make a vote. If many people vote for that future, then we will add that in our roadmap. But currently we are working on different types of widgets like banner, then the side widget, something like that. We are working. Maybe in another 1 or 2 weeks, we will update in the Rocket Hub portal.
Makes sense. Cool. That's awesome. The people are saying amazing. They loved it. They loved the auditor.
Thank you.
That's good. That's good.
So any other thing?
Yep. So do you mind comparing it with the company called as from Power Suite? There's a company known as Website Auditor. It's from Power Suite.
Yeah. But actually, I don't work because I don't work on the Power Suite before. To be frank, but I know inside MySEOAuditor there is a lot of customization that because
absolutely that's the number one.
So
everything in
that
one
much
place.
Customization. I hope no other competitor can give this much of customization inside the audit report and everything in one place. So yeah,
correct. And so someone asked how to send the report. So how do we reach out to potential customers? Someone asked this question.
Okay, you no need to do sending report manually. That's all the thing. The generating everything is. See, just now I submitted the form. Okay, the form is generating the audit on the background. You see the status like processing. After the audit report generated, the mail is automatically sent to my email. So I no need to send anything manually and clicking paste. So no, see here, this is the report. I just submitted in my website. Now the report is here. So they don't want to they don't want to send the report manually. That is a main main thing inside our MySEO auditor. For manual audit, of course, you need to generate and you need to send to your clients through email or some other communication medium, depends on them.
Perfect. Okay, all right, that was pretty clear. So anyone, do you have any questions? Anyone else? You can just post in the Q&A box. Otherwise, we'll have this session wrapped up. So we'll just wait for 2 minutes, Karthik, for
Yeah,
people
sure,
if anyone
sure.
has
Take your time, no problem.
anything they think about. So and then we'll announce where to take the deal.
Yeah.
And yep.
So just to complete, we do have a comprehensive help section here inside the dashboard. Just once you click the help center. So here where you can see all the modules. So we do have a separate modules, right? So we have all the training modules, training videos, in-depth videos here. So you can go through all the modules and check the videos. Let's say if you cannot be able to do on your own, no problem. We are here. Just click the chart icon inside our dashboard and just contact us. We will reply you as soon as possible. Then we do have a future ideas option here. So once you click here, we're using some third-party option to integrate this. If you have any idea, you can just go sign up and give the future submission here. Then it will be reflect and it will show to all the users that you are using the MySEO auditor. So from that, we can take your suggestion and we can work on our future modules. Okay. Yeah, that's all. So basically we are active in replying, support, everything. So anything we are open.
You know what, you got a compliment for that, because someone really appreciated the time you respond in support. So that's good thing. So we'll receive that feedback.
Sure.
Okay, so thank you so much, guys, and of course, go and grab your deal from Rocket Hub. The early bird coupon code is valid till Sunday. Use the code early bird MySEOAuditor 20 for 20% off. Don't forget to check that out. Go right and do it right now. I mean, because you saw the software and you just saw 50%, 60% of it, and then you could be able to see 100% of it. All right. Yes. So, all right. Karthik, Jens has posted the GDPR question in the Rocket Hub's Facebook thread. So whenever you get the response from the team, so you can just reply on that thread, and then we'll close it there.
Okay.
All right. Perfect. Any last statement from your side, Karthik, Anand? Anand, you have been very quiet.
Let me have a small talk over here at the end here.
Yeah, go on, man. Have the closing statement.
So thank you, Karan. It was really a nice session. Yeah, my colleague really did a deep dive into the software. Really hope everybody who ever joined attendees have gained some knowledge in terms of using our software. Hope it will help in terms of personnel as well as if they do any agencies. Okay, and we are in the plan that this software will go for a long run. It is not that we do run for a while, then we close it down. So we have a team working behind, and we will be adding more features, and we'll be running for years. Okay, so that is the commitment from our team, that so whoever attendees, so make use of this 20% offer and do check out. Yeah. Thank you.
Perfect. Thanks, Anand. And this is the perfect Rocket Hub deal we always wanted to launch in the SEO space, which is very important. Thank you so much for your time, everyone. Thanks for joining in, taking out your precious 2 hours and giving it to Rocket Hub and MySEOAuditor. So, all right. Thank you so much. We look forward to seeing you in the next deal partner webinar. Till then, bye.
Okay.
Thanks, Karthik. Thanks, Anand.
Yeah,
bye.
thanks.